The LG WM3270CW is one of the most popular front-load washers. In this video, you'll learn all the features, the best time to buy, plus reliability statistics based on actual service calls. The WM3270 is LG's entry-level machine, but it still has the most common features with 5 speeds and 5 temperatures to handle any fabric type. It has a high 1300 RPM spin speed to pre-dryer clothes, as well as a 149-degree tub wash cycle to clean the washer of any residual dirt or odors. LG is almost 2 inches shallower than most front-loading washers, so it's a better fit when stacking in closets and other small spaces. However, this model does lack steam cleaning and the faster turbo cycles of LG's upgraded machines. The WM3270 retails at about $719. You should buy LG around holidays like Black Friday or Labor Day when prices drop considerably. In terms of reliability, LG is one of the best. According to our 30,761 service calls completed in 2017, LG is a close second to Whirlpool at a very low 5.3% service calls within the first year. However, LG does have problems with repairability in certain parts of the country due to a lack of service technicians with the ability to fix these newer brands. It's important for you to understand who fixed LG before you buy. So if you're looking for a reliable front-load washer with the most common cycles at an affordable price, then you should definitely consider the WM3270.